Now, the politicians,
Tendawili,
Gen Z, register as voters so that you can vote. But do you know if today people were to vote, President William Ruto would win election very early today? And did you realize that there is no one else at the moment that meets this?
tendawili, tendawili.
So today
Ilikuwa ni yako, sasa nimenyakua ni yangu.
2026,
Kwa hivyo sasa wewe toka.
and by next week
Mimi ni nani?
we will be progressing to the next month, February. And after we enter February, we will be having 10 months. Simple mathematics. 10 months to 2027. You know, our leaders, our politicians, they are vying for different positions in national leadership, different positions. The presidential docket, the gubernatorial, we have got our member of parliament from different constituency out of 47 counties in Kenya, with our MCS. From our place, we have got several MCS. I mean, my place is really big. That constituency, my constituency, that constituency should be at least divided into two, so that we can have 2 MPs and divided MCS 2 sections. Anyways, as we speak, do you know? Okay. Now, the politicians, they are vying for these seats. I think they should also remind us, the local citizens, that as per IEBC regulations, we need to register as voters. Gen Z, register as voters so that you can vote come 2027. But do you know today, okay, people are saying that, yes, life has become tough. In fact, January have been Januarying. Life have become so tough, and everybody been hating on President Ruto. But do you know, with the same hate, if today people were to vote, President William Ruto would win election very early today? Do you know? Do you know what it takes for someone to be voted as a president? And did you realize that there is no one else at the moment that meets these obligations apart from William Samoei Ruto to be voted as the president as we speak? Do you know? Okay. Let's assume we prepare ourselves so best. Not 100%, but let's say between 70 to 85%, Kenyans are prepared to do elections come the constituted time 2027. Do you know that even if Gen Z register as voters and comes out in numbers 2027 to vote, do you know Ruto will still win the election very early in the morning? System. System. Do you know? Hii wengi hawataelewa. Do you know that the Western has groomed so well the Kenyan leadership from the top to where we are, hello Gen Z, to where we are? Do you know that the president come 2027 and 2032, when Ruto is transitioning, is already known? Do you know? Wengi hawataelewa. System. System, ati mara niko na degree 2 na masters 1 na sina kazi. Do you know? My friend, have you sat down and asked yourself why most Kenyans now everyone has gone to school, like huge number have got degrees. I mean college degrees, and even as we speak, because you complete your bachelor's degree, then you've been told that now many people are owning their bachelor's degree out here with no jobs. So you got to go back to the campus and do your master's. So numbers are transitioning to masters, and a number of people are doing their PhDs in Kenya. Did you know that many people are educated and are jobless, while some people are not necessarily educated but trained? Okay. Hii wengi hawataelewa. Do you know it takes a few weeks to maybe at most 3 months to train somebody to do what you went to study 4 years in campus? And by the time you complete your 4 year studies or training in campus, he or she who was trained in weeks or at most 3 months is having 4 years experience of what you spent 4 years learning in the university. Do you know? Okay. That one aside, let's talk of our political parties. Now, do you know, even as we prepare for 2027 elections, we see opposition parties falling apart. To be precise, let's talk about UDA, which is the ruling party at the moment, and ODM, that has been standing in opposition for decades. Now, do you know, as reckless as ODM is right now, do you know that even if today ODM comes into terms with itself so that the leading members in ODM, the members of ODM, are able to address the differences in ideologies and interests, and the party becomes intact again so that they can move in the same direction. Today, do you know that come next year, 2027, Ruto will still win the election? Do you know? Do you know that there is no one else? Let's talk about today and even tomorrow and even a day after tomorrow and even 2027 and even the election day. There is no one groomed as President William Samoei Ruto at the moment. Did you know? System. System. Now, did you know hii pia wengi hawataelewa. The tools. You remember June 25th? What happened? Was it last year? What happened? Do you remember? So that ODM could join hands with the UDA, but try to lie to us that they did not join the hands. They were still the opposition party. So they gave them tools to the ruling party. Do you know? Okay. If the tools that were given by ODM to the ruling party are withdrawn today, okay, today we are taking our tools back. Do you know that President Ruto will remain in presidency and still win the election come next year and still decide whether to come 2032? No. Do you know that Ruto will still be the president until 2032 as what it stands for right now? Do you know? Where's jua?